Number 9. According to the efficiency wage model, all of the following are correct except. Alright, so efficiency wages reduce unemployment. We haven't really spoken about that, so let's hold on to that one. Efficiency wages are a type of market failure. So efficiency wages are when you pay above market equilibrium. And market failure means that you're not paying at the correct equilibrium. In fact, our next unit is all about what market failure is. But yes, efficiency wages are a type of market failure because you're not paying the equilibrium wage. Efficiency wages are above the equilibrium wage. Yes, that is also true. Notice it's an except question, so I'm crossing out the true statements. Efficiency wages may reduce worker turnover. The idea is that if you're paying $20 in an intro-level job for high school students, there's a better chance that people aren't going to leave because they're not going to find that wage again until this video is outdated in like 6 months when everyone's paying $20 an hour. But the current rate, I mean, people are paying like $14 an hour, I'm seeing, so it's the idea of an efficiency wage. An efficiency wage may increase worker productivity and morale. I think the answer is yeah, it can do that. Like, if people are like, I'm afraid of losing this job. So that is an efficiency wage. It doesn't reduce unemployment because it's just one firm that is using the efficiency wage, or a few firms. It's not a market-wide concept. And that is why 9 is A.